take the Durango to go get a sunroof installed. We're gonna go drop it off. Yeah, so we're gonna go drop it off and I'll show you. Well, there's gonna be another video after this one. The other one's gonna be a walk around on the Durango. I'm about to show you guys everything that I've done to it. There's some cool shit. Well, there's something custom made that I did. So we're gonna go drop it off. The homie Paco / Pancho, he's right here. We're gonna go drop it off and then probably go Mickey D's run real quick. But yeah, we're gonna do some little rolls for you guys. Spice up the channel a little bit because that should be boring than a motherfucker. But
I'll probably show you guys the sunroof that he's gonna get installed in it when we get there.
yeah,
Get this shit done.
the Sylvie, the Durango, the only 02 Durango SRT anywhere. But we'll see you guys in a little bit. Stay tuned.
So we just finished dropping off the Durango. There it is. About to get his sunroof installed. It's just gonna look clean.
Alright guys, so the guy that's doing my sunroof, his name is Rob Customs. Well, if you guys ever want to get anything done, like double sunroofs, single, he molds wings on a lot of Silverados that I've seen. He does what is it called? The Titan rear window, where your rear window to like the Silverados, they roll down in the middle. And here's his Facebook, that way in case you guys want to go hit him up, Rob's Customs. And I know a lot of people from, I think AZ, I know some people from Denver, mainly AZ. I don't know about Denver, I know AZ, a lot of people from AZ have came to get their stuff done. So if you guys live in Albuquerque, I mean anywhere close, if you're willing to drive over here to Albuquerque and get something done, just hit him up. And I've seen a lot of his work, it looks clean. So whenever the Durango's done, he said it'll be done here shortly. So whenever it's done, we'll show you guys what's good. We just got back from picking up the truck. We're just gonna take off the roof racks.
Alright, so we're taking off the roof racks already. We got this piece off so we could unhook it. We're gonna finish taking that off to unhook both sides and then just get rid of these and put these other black plastic pieces back on. And should be it for today, but there's the sunroof. I'll show you guys this one. Alright, so we just finished taking off the rails and this is how it looks.
The rails?
Yeah. Alright, so that's how it looks without the racks. But there's the sunroof. The main thing this video is about. You guys can see it's lifted up. This is the inside. This is a 5-button soft touch. Just click it once and it does it. There it is with the black headliner.
We're still gonna spray paint all these little tan parts.
And the visors, they did have to take them off, but fuck it, we don't even need them. But that's the inside. All the way.
Finally, bro. I've been waiting for this moment for the longest time. Rob's Customs. Got the little sticker. That looks real clean. For those 9 subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. We really appreciate it. We're gonna be coming out with a lot more videos. This ain't it. Dope ass Durango. Love this baby. Alright guys, for this video we're gonna make an outro because the last 2 videos we did not make any. And if we did make one, it was like in a whole different time. Hey, but thank you guys for watching. This is pretty much the end of the video. We had fun making this video.
Yep.
Since like 8:30 in the morning. Hey, look at what Oscar said. Hey, shout out to the homie Oscar, bro. Oscar Marquez. That's my nigga right there. From way back in high school. I fuck with you heavy. Shout out to Brian Alfaro. Shout out to my cousin Jose. The nigga Pancho. Since 5th grade, bro. Me and this nigga been homies.
For real, that's what, 8-9 years already?
Yes, sir. And look, we're still strong. Still chilling.
Yeah, guys, whoever, just like and subscribe, you know. It would really,
yeah, like and subscribe.
Really help us out. Trying to, I don't know what the fuck to say.
Yeah.
But
I don't know what the fuck he's trying to say either, but shit. I agree with him. Thank you for those 9 subscribers though, bro.
I know it ain't much.
Yeah, that
it ain't much, but it's better than nothing, you know.
It makes me happy, bro, to see some subscribers in that shit.
It's a start to something.
Yes, sir.
And hopefully everything goes good.
Bro, and give us some ideas, whatever you guys want to see. Anything at all.
How he said, give us ideas, whatever you guys think. Any advice.
Yeah, any advice.
We'd be more than happy to take it.
Oh yeah.
You know, help us out.
On like how we can make the videos better. Like whatever you guys think, like, hey bro, like you guys could edit them hoes better. You guys are trashy shit at editing. Or
we're barely started.
Yeah.
We're barely getting.
Or
we barely started editing, so we don't really know much how to mess around with the editing. But we're trying to figure it out, mess around with stuff, and get better at it. So be patient.
Yes, sir.
We'll get better. We'll get better at editing, recording. I know in the first 2 videos we messed up recording, having the phone straight. That looks pretty stupid if you ask me, but
hey, but now them videos hey, this video we did edit it good. We did our best to edit this one. And hopefully you guys like him though. Cause we ain't giving up. We're gonna keep going strong.
But yeah guys, make sure you like and subscribe.
See you guys in another video that we do later.